Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to fix sound problems in your LG Web OS Smart TV. So as you can see, when I press the volume up button on my remote, it does not do anything on my TV. I get this error right here. It's right here. So I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Press settings button on your remote, scroll down to all settings, and in all settings go to sound and press sound out, and instead of HDMI ARC just press put a check mark on internet TV speaker. Now let's check it. Go back to the main screen. As you can see now, I can adjust my TV volume without any problems. So if it does not work for you, you have to reset your TV to default settings and set up your TV from the beginning. Just go to settings, all settings, scroll down to support, and just tap reset to initial settings. Your TV will erase everything, even the apps you have installed, and you have to set it up again from the beginning. Connect to Wi-Fi and just follow the steps. This is for the LG Web OS TV, but you can do this for any TV, smart or non-smart. That's it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day.